Good morning, everyone. In this data analytics basic lecture series, today we are going to discuss about the fourth topics, data analytics tools. We previously discussed three different videos. The first video about the introduction, the second one is discuss about what is big data, what is data science. The third video is describe about the different data analytics types. In this video, we are going to discuss about different data analytics tools. So start with, these are all the different data analytics tools used in nowadays. Start with Microsoft Excel, then Python, R programming, Jupyter Notebook, Apache, SAS, Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, and KNIME. So start with the Microsoft Excel. The Microsoft Excel is a kind of a spreadsheet software. It is available in older days also, but n number of manipulations and different operations can performed in this particular spreadsheet. So it is a commercial one. This is not an open source. You have to pay something for this tool, and also the purpose of this tool used to data wrangling and reporting. Combine data and it may produce the reports as per your expectations. The advantage is it is widely used. Maximum number of users may use this particular tool, and it having some useful functions and also some extended versions. The extended versions will act as the plugins to used by this Microsoft Excel. The major drawbacks is cost. It is a paid one, and also it having some calculative errors. It having some calculations in the part of errors. The major point or the major concern is it is very poor at handling of big data. It is good only for a minimum level data. It doesn't having a capability to handling the zettabyte or betabytes level data. The second tool is Python, a kind of programming language. Python is a programming language. The major potential or the availability, a kind of open source. Huge number of libraries are available in this particular programming languages. This particular Python may help to improve your data analytics experience with different libraries. It is used everything from data scraping to analysis and also reporting. It includes n types of or different types of analysis for report generations. The major advantages, very easy to learn, a kind of scripting. You can easily learn within 2 or 3 days. You can easily to learn this particular Python programming language. And also this is a widely used programming language in nowadays. The disadvantage is memory intensive. It doesn't execute as fast as some other languages. It takes some time to execute. The third one, R programming language. A type of programming language like is Python. It is an open source one, no commercial versions. Maybe it is a maximum in older days, maximum number of users and scientists use for data mining operations. And it is very helpful for some statistical analysis. You can use different data sets to execute some statistical analysis and data mining approaches. The advantage is it is a platform independent. The R programming is available in different versions like Windows versions, Linux or Unix based versions, then iOS versions. So this is a major one. The drawback is a very less secure tool. The scripts may be used by some other users in your login, so it is a less secured one. And also comparatively, it is a complex one to learn than Python. So this is the major drawback of your R programming. Then Jupyter Notebook, a kind of authoring software, interactive authoring software. It is also an open source. It is maximum the users use for some code sharing, and it is very easy to create tutorials and presenting their own works. The major advantages is showcase your work. Then it is also a language independent, not a programming language. Like the drawback is not good for collaborations. The next one is Apache Spark. The Apache Spark is a type of a data processing framework tool. This is also a open source, not a commercialized one. Majorly, the Apache Spark is handled by big data processing. Now it is used for machine learning also. The major advantage is it is fast and dynamic, easy to use. And the major drawback there is no file management system. Then also it is a digital user base interface. That is also another drawback. The next one is SAS, statistical software suite, SAS. This unit is available only in the commercial mode, not an open source. Some trial versions are available only for 2 to 3 days. This is mostly used for BI, business intelligence, and multivariate data analytics. And also, in our previous video, we discussed about different types of data analytics. In this particular SAS will help for predictive based analysis. The advantages is very good business focused tool and very voluntarily support for a user level supported. The problem is graphical representations. It is very huge costs. That is also one major problem. Everyone may know about this Microsoft Power BI, a kind of business analytic suite. The free version is also available, but is good in commercial software, mostly used by data visualization. This is also helpful for predictive analytics. The advantages is data connectivity and some good visualization. The problem is if you are using this particular tool in a free version, you can use only some limited versions for data. So you cannot fit in some terabyte level data for this Microsoft BI when you are using the free versions. The Tableau, everyone know about this Tableau, a beautiful data visualization tool. It is also a commercialization tool. If you are a student, you can use this particular Tableau in a free manner. Some different student license versions are available. Some good affordable offers also available. It's mostly used for creating data dashboards and worksheets. It is good in visualization and also it has great interactivity, and it is used by mobile support, a kind of comfortable versions. But the problem is no data pre-processing is available in our Tableau. So the last one is KNAME, a data integration platform, a beautiful one with the open source. It is maximum of use by presently a number of machine learning algorithms are using this particular KNAME, a beautiful open source platform. And also it is covered some visual driven programming, a kind of drag and drop approaches. The problem is a technical expertise need for some functions. You should know some predefined functions to track the data. So these are all the different data used by data analysts. So thank you for your patient listening. In our next video, we are going to describe the different data analytics applications. Thank you all.